This video goes over how to find an editorial on EBSCOhost for the critique essay assignment in English 103. To access EBSCOhost, log into my.pierce.edu, click on the Library tab, then select Click here to access library resources. From the database list, click on EBSCOhost. On the EBSCOhost home screen, check the boxes next to Academic Search Elite and Newspaper Source. You'll be searching these two databases for editorials. Click Continue. Scroll down to the Limit Your Results box and limit the date range to the last 3 months. Next, scroll down to the Special Limiters for Academic Search Elite box. Go to Document Type and select Editorial. Then go back up to the top of the screen and enter your search terms with quotation marks around any phrases and the words "and editorial" after your search terms. This tells EBSCOhost to only find editorials from Newspaper Source. Editorials from Academic Search Elite were previously selected down below. Click Search. Once your results come up, click on any title you might be interested in. First, you will see the detailed record, showing all the information you'll need to create the APA citation, and below it, you'll find the article. Avoid using any articles that look too short, because they won't have enough information to critique. Find something that's at least 400 words. Unfortunately, EBSCOhost doesn't include word counts. However, you could quickly copy and paste the article into a Word document to check. Once you paste the article into Word, click on Review at the top of the page, and then select Word Count at the left. This article, New Approach Needed to Stem Opioid Crisis, is only 264 words, and therefore not good to use. However, if I go back to my results screen and try another one, this article, Smart Start in Opioid Fight, is 571 words, and therefore a better option for the assignment. If you're unsure if an article would be good enough for the critique essay, you can share it with your professor for his or her opinion. And if you need further help accessing editorials, contact the library, either in person by calling 215-670-9269 or by emailing library@pierce.edu.